Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach small inventory management system how to make it using AI. So before you are make it AI, you must have a good knowledge about the language. After that you can make it, right? So I have a good knowledge of Java so that I can make the code in AI. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project. Select as a Java. This is showing application. Java, select go with along with and Java application. Click next. Right, inventory project. If it is click create main class, you have to uncheck and finish it. So here, this is your project. Select the default package. Right click new JFrame form. You have right inventory. Click OK. This is the project. So this project I'm not going to use any database. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my tool, which is a ChatGPT. Okay. First you have to use it. I want to first I'm going to put it there. Act as a Java developer. Java code developer. I need to make a inventory a small system without database. So this project you must learn, go along with this one. So here you can see. Okay, so this one go this along with that WP. This one go along with the. Okay, this is a simple one. It developing. Here you can see over here. Okay, this simple system it will be made. Okay, this is some how to make it in showing application. Very simple. Okay, so how to make it. Okay, that is the things we have to do it. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is here you can see. First is step by step. It will be telling here. Here you can see go to the instruction. The small system will be let you add the new product, view the product, calculate the total. Okay, so this is the things happening on that inventory. Create a product class, create the inventory system using string, store the product in the array list and display. Okay, so instead of saving the database, it will be saving the array list with this simple system. Okay, before you have to drive into the database, you have to learn before this one. If you understand well, you will be able to go along with the database, right? So you can go along with the codes. What's the code? It is this one. Create as a class, simple class. You have this class which is we have to call it as model. Okay, this is a simple model. So the product, also product, they are created as a product. These are the attributes: product ID, name, quantity, and price. This is a constructor of the class. The class which the same name as the class, and the method which matches the same name is called as a constructor. The what are the values you have defined? You already have to assign it over here. This parameters you have to pass it the parameters. This is the class level data. This is the parameter is data. We have to set it. Class level data we have to equal it to the parameters data. We have to set it. Okay. So this is the object model. We are sending the data. You have to create the objects. You have to name this all things. You have to set it and set it. Okay. Simple class you have to create it. So what I'm going to say, go here. First here this is the package, default package. Right click new Java class. Your name is product. Click OK. This is a product class. You can see here. You can name it as a model, something like that. So you can understand. You have to comment and select model. So here what I'm going to do is simply here this all the codes. I'm going to copy it, paste it over here. Right. So before you can paste it, you can understand what is going on. Okay, here we don't have any errors. We just get in and paste it because I know how to do this program. Now what I'm going to do is now let's back to our models part is over. So then now we are going to go to the designing the UI designs. So product id, product name, quantity, price. Okay, we have to do these things. Okay, simply we have to do it. Let's go to our frame, drag the labels. First we have to delete them. So you have to drag one panel. This panel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one, right click, properties. You have the background color, I'm going to select as black. Arrange them, drag it one label. This label I'm going to name it as products. Information. Select this one, right click, properties. Click on the font, bold, 24. Okay. We have to arrange the size. Now let's right click it, properties. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the foreground color. I'm going to change it as white. That's it. Okay. Now I want to drag the labels. Okay. So this one also I'm going to drag one panel and drag it. Don't drag it without a panel. Select this one, properties, border, bevel border. Click OK. Close it. Select the label one. This one I'm going to name it as product ID. Select this one, properties, 14. You have to write the bold. Here we have to drag one text box. Properties. Here I'm going to change it as a foreground color as 14. Now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to right click and edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Select both, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. You have to copy this. So here we have product ID, product name, name, product ID, product name, quantity, price. This one quantity. After that, select both, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. This one was a price. Now here I drag one button, click add. Okay, drag, click, add. Okay, now what I'm going to select this frame, right click, properties, code generate center. After that, select the source, Ctrl F, UI, press enter key, enter key, enter key, enter key, enter key. You have to get that one matter look. This matter. You have to change it as matter. That's it. Now let's run the application and check. Okay. Now successfully display the UI design. Now I want to add the product details. So right click, event, action, action perform. Here you can see the code. You can see this code. I'm going to, this is the codes, button codes. Okay, so this button codes I'm going to, what I'm going to do is this one, all the things I'm going to copied. Paste it on here. I'll be explained, don't worry. Here simply what I'm going to do is this text ID, Control C to copy. You have to name it as change variable this side. Now the error go away. This one, copy this, Control C to copy. Select this box. We have to change the text name. After again we have to go over here, quantity, Control C to copy. Select this one, change variable text quantity. Go here price, Control C to copy. Select this one, change variable, paste it over here. Everything paste it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is here nowadays. Now you can see all the things you have pasted. No problem. Okay, you have pasted everything. Right? Okay, you have pasted everything properly. Okay, now let's go to above here that frame. Here this one. We have to do the thing is here we have to set into the array list. So go above, here is the array list. This all thing is just copied. Paste it above the bar. Okay. So you have to implement that particular packages. Import it. It successfully add the namespaces as above. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. Simple. All the things are done it. This one also the message box also you have to delete. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. ID, all the things. Now this all things you have to add it into the table model. Table model means you have to write a table as well. Table means you have to drag one J table. Table you have to write it over here. Table. Okay, don't worry about this one. I haven't put that panel, that's why it takes some time. Okay, now it's okay. Perfect. We're done for. Now let's right click, change variable. So here we have to write table 1. Here we have to change the columns names. Okay, table content, row, insert. So you have to write it here. ID. Second one is a name. Third one is a quantity. Price. Make it as a capital. Right. That's it. Close it. So here the thing is that a simple problem, not here. Let's remove that one. Delete them. These are the columns. Okay. Your name here, not here row. Columns you have name it as ID, name, quantity, price. That's it. Okay, this everything is done. Okay, now what you're going to do is here. Let's move into the code section. We have to the table. We have to configure the table. You have to implement the default table model. Okay, so that's the thing you have to write it over here. Okay, the default table model. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we have to do the thing is here. We have to the object we have what are the object you have to set it over. We have to add the records. After that, what I'm going to do is here. That's the thing you have to do it. Okay, so you have to set it to the table model. Okay, table model, J table, this table. Okay, this J table here, table. This is a table model. You have to write table model. So name it as this one. Now this part is what we are going to do is after add the record we have to display on the table. So table we have to set into this columns, table model. we have first you have to clear up 0. After that we have to set into the table model. Okay, so that what you are going to do is we have to this code. Okay, we have just copy it. So we have to add it here. You have to, I'm going to set it here also. We have to name it as this table 1. Okay, table 1 set model table model. Okay, that's it. That's the thing you have to write it. So what I'm going to do is now this one. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. Now let's click it here. Okay, now this is simple code. Now I'm going to go to product ID 0001, product name LG TV 001. Okay, quantity 1, price 12,000, product added, you can see. Okay, it is successfully added. Okay, it's successfully added. That's how we have added the product details. So you can will be able to view the product details. Now I want to put one button, same button, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it here. Okay, clear. Double click on it. What clear mean? It's all the but click on it here. Set text clear. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Text name clear, text quantity clear, clear. This is how we have cleared it. So now let's jump in here. We have to add product ID, product name LG, quantity 1, price is 12,000. Click add it successfully. Now I am going to clear it. Going to add the product to some other big fan, quantity 2, 10. Click it, set. Successfully add the products details. Okay, now if you want to add 3, so clear 3 washing machine 1, price is 22,000. Add it, product added successfully. Now this how we have add the text. Thank you for watching.